Ràdio Buffanull, la ràdio que vull. Què vull? Ràdio Buffanull!
A dinar!
Un moment, mama, ara vaig!
Va, Jaume, que això fred no val res!
Que sí, un moment!
Molt bé, Jaume. Suposo que tens moltes ganes d'assistir al concert de la Bàrbara, oi?
No s'ho pot ni imaginar. Soc fan seu des de sempre.
A quina edat va gravar la Bàrbara el seu primer disc?
Tenia 14 anys. Es va presentar un concurs de joves talents i va acabar de primera. El seu disc portava per títol My Little Shark is Very Beautiful.
I la resposta és... correcta!
Me'n vaig a Londres a veure la Bàrbara Penguin!
Did you understand?
No m'he enterat de res. Ai, per què no estaria més atent a les classes d'anglès del col·le? Oh, excuse me.
Yes.
Can you repeat it more slowly? A veure, torna-hi. Is it possible to take a taxi with 20 euros?
No, it is not possible. In England, we don't use euros. We use pounds.
Pounds? 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 I què és un pound? Em podria deixar un pound? És que m'acaben de robar i tinc que trucar a casa meva i... Oh! Excuse me, look. Mi casa... Teléfono...
I'm being both. If you want me to help you with £1, you will have to work. Do you understand? Help and work.
Help, ayuda, work, trabajo. Ah, sí, yeah. What do you want me to do?
Good. Taxi!
Ai, Bàrbara, si almenys pogués escoltar la teva veu, això em tranquil·litzaria.
I will be around. I want to see you smile. Everything will be okay. Cheer up. Tomorrow is the big day.
Què és això? You! You can keep the luggage, okay? It's a present.
Wait a moment, are you saying that this luggage is yours?
I only need one thing that's inside.
What's that?
Nothing. Only a ticket for tomorrow's concert.
What? You have a ticket for Barbara's concert?
Just one.
I keep the ticket and you... the luggage? What do you think?
No, it's better if you keep the luggage and I keep the ticket.
No way. I keep the ticket and you...
I know it's hard and sometimes crazy, but you are so young to see the show. But you are not good, it's best for you. Don't go.
Have you seen a pig around here?
A pig?
Yes.
Oh, yes. It's behind there. Oh, excuse me. Could you tell me where I am?
You are not from here.
No.
Then you must be the foreign work I'm waiting for. Sit down.
Wait. 50 miles? That is more than 50 kilometers, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, no. Do you know at what time the next bus is?
The next breakfast is tomorrow at 6 in the evening.
What? Are there any more buses?
Nope, there's only one a day.
No, el Consell, l'escenari, amb els focus i el... Madison, no basta! Madison, estàs bé? Madison, va. Vinga, Madison!
President of the fan club.
Really?
Sure, I love her. Her songs are
Great!
spectacular,
Marvelous!
incredible.
Like you.
What? We have the ticket.
Okay, but there's a small problem.
What problem?
The concert's finished.
Look, if you want, we can get it out by email and we could go to the next concert together.
It would be fantastic!
It would be marvelous.
It would be great.
It would be spectacular.
It would be
Excellent. Shut up! Don't you see that if I get recognized, they won't leave me alone?
I'm sorry if you dedicated to me. My name is Jaume.
Your name is Jaume. Jaume.
What are you doing?
Now get out of my way, you repulsive rat.
This is my way! You are an idiot!
What would you say if I invited you to my house in New York?
Your house in New York?
Uh-huh.
Are you serious?